Chat GPT in Excel. In this video, we will see how to install Chat GPT add-in in the Excel and use the Chat GPT functions within Excel. In the Home ribbon, click on the add-in button and search for Chat GPT for Excel and install. Once the add-in is installed, you can see add-in functions when you type AI dot. We will look at these functions one by one. AI.ask function. In AI.ask function, we can submit a prompt to OpenAI and return the results for us. In this example, we are going to see how it drafts leave letter and Instagram caption for a picture along with hashtags. AI.table function. AI.table function is to create table with specific dataset. In this example, we have given prompt to create a dataset of students. We have also asked to name the subjects and include result at the end of the table. AI.list function. AI.list function will generate lists from the prompt. In this example, we have asked Chat GPT to list 15 beaches in India. AI.fill function. AI.fill function will read the sample cells and generate the exact results based on the column name. In this example, have given the sample as first 2 rows and fetch the similar results for remaining rows. The results are pulled based on the column name, hence it's important to select the header while providing sample dataset. AI.translate function. AI.translate function will read the input and translate it to any language. In the first column, we have given the words which needs to be translated and the language in second column. As you can see, that input has been translated in third column. AI.extract function. AI.extract function will extract certain word from a sentences. For instance, we are extracting the name, phone number, email ID from the sentences in first column. Thanks for watching the video. Show us some love by liking our video and subscribing to the channel.